Yo guys, it's Courage here, and I got good news for you guys. So my friend Victor, who is a very great guy, one guy who does e-commerce a lot, and he has consistently made over ₦1 million weekly doing e-commerce business right here in Nigeria. Okay, so he does ₦1 million at least every week doing e-commerce, and he's going to share with you exactly how he does this. Okay, so it's just a short 10-minute video. I need you to watch this video, pay attention, listen to everything Victor is going to say, right? And then try as much as you can to apply these things in your own e-commerce business also. And I guarantee you that if you follow the exact same steps that Victor is going to align in this video, if you follow the exact same steps Victor is going to align, not just would you get similar results, you might even surpass his results if you are patient enough to implement and to follow up consistently. Okay, now the steps are, I think, about 5-step models or whatever. Now you need to listen to Victor and listen very well, because you may not get this kind of free information anywhere on the internet. By the way, my name is Courage. I will ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people get to see it. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos. So I will let Victor take it up from here and teach you the different way, in a different format, how you can do profitable e-commerce business here in Nigeria. Listen to Victor.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you are going to be watching this video. So I promised that I was going to make a post on how I achieved my goal of making ₦1 million per week from my e-commerce business. ₦1 million per week was not the goal for my business, not the goal for my business. In fact, what I actually wrote on my vision board is ₦2 million per week from my e-commerce business. But it's not easy, my guy. It's not easy at all. I swear, you have to put in a whole lot of work, you have to invest a whole lot of money. And e-commerce business is especially physical products. You have to distribute your product to many centers around Nigeria, so it's a whole lot of capital investment to actually achieve that goal. But anyways, last we are still pushing it. We are pushing it and we're getting there. So I was able to do ₦1 million in a week from my e-commerce business, and there are some certain things that I actually did. It was not a mistake, it was not magic. I grew into it. It was ₦1 million per week was not what I started with. There are times when I would do just 100k in a week. There were times like that, but I grew into it. I understood the systems and everything, and then from there I just started scaling. So what did I actually do to achieve ₦1 million in a week? What happened within that week that made ₦1 million possible? I actually did 1,010,000 naira in a week in revenue. So what did I do? Number one, I did 5 things that I'm just summing it into 5 things for you so that it will be easily digestible for you. But number one, what did I do? I found a product that I could sell. I made sure I found a product that people were willing to pay me good money for, that I could sell. I understood the number. I think that if you want to make ₦1 million in a week, you have to find a product that you can sell for X amount of price to X amount of people that will give you that ₦1 million. For you can find a product that can sell 20,000 naira to 50, that you can sell for 20,000 naira to 50 people. You can find a product that can sell for 50,000 naira to 20 people. You can also find my own products. My offer is 80,000 naira, some 100,000 naira, some 50,000 naira. So that was how I found a product that I know that if I can sell this product to this X amount of people, I can actually make ₦1 million in a week. So that is what I suggest that you do. Find a product that people are already paying money for, a niche that people are already spending money for. Just go there, pick a product that works and start marketing it. Give yourself target sales. This is the amount of people I want to sell to in a week. This is the amount of money I want to sell this product for, so that you can hit that goal. That is the first mathematics that you have to do. Number 2, I built an email list. An email list is very important. The biggest guys in the e-commerce space build email lists. There is no big guy, Joe Ogundele, Victor Akpos, Tony Toyo Motor sure that many of us know. Ronald Zimura, Precious Energy, those big guys in the e-commerce space. Nelly, for the women, Nelly, Mrs. Nelly Agbogu, Chioma Efanyeze, all of them, they have email lists. That's why they are able to scale their business to the moon. Why? Because when you build an email list, you have a list of customers you can always communicate to. You have your own customers, which is different from Facebook customers. Facebook job is to give you traffic. Your job is to convert those traffic to paid customers, to people who are willing to pay for you. So you have to have your email list in whichever business you are doing, whether you are selling clothes, or whether you are selling skincare, whether you are selling honey, whatever you are selling, have an email list, a list of your own. You can have them on WhatsApp, you can have them on social media, but it's always advisable that you have your own email list. That way, even if Facebook bans your account tomorrow, if Google has banned your account tomorrow, you always have your own list that you can always reach at any point in time. It's very, very important. You have your own list that you can reach at any point in time. You can run anytime. If Facebook ban your account, like me now, if Facebook bans my account today, I always have my list to fall back to. I just keep marketing to my list. In that way, I will make more sales while I'm waiting to sort out Facebook ad issue, Facebook banning issue, and then whatever. I will make more sales just by doing it. So have your email list. Number 3, build a relationship with your email list. What do I mean by relationship? In marketing, it is well known that for people to buy from you, they have to know you, they have to like you, and they have to trust you. Now, how can you get them to know, like, and trust you? Is by sharing helpful content to them. Helpful content to them. Educate them about your products. In email marketing, your prospect, your potential customer might not buy on the first day of seeing your sales page, but with email marketing you can automate your follow-up, hitting them at different points in time. Some people might see my product now, oh, your product is 80k, I don't get money now, but because I've been following them up, I can follow them up for the next 60 days. Every day they'll be getting an email from me. When they have the money and they are ready to buy, who will be the first person that will come to mind? Me. Why? Because I have always been following them up. I've been putting myself in their faces, putting my products. Oh, my product can do this for you. When you are ready, come and buy. When you are ready, come and buy. When you are ready, come and buy. That is what you have to do. You have to make sure that you follow them up. Follow them up until they are ready to buy. That's what email list can do for you. Then, after I built a relationship with my email list, I ran promo. This is where the magic is. You have to run promos. Let me tell you something. In marketing, human beings are lazy procrastinators. Yes, even myself. I'm sure you have noticed that when you see something you want to buy, you don't go buy at that time when you just see them. Why? It's not that you don't have the money, but you just like, maybe I want to use this money for something. Man, make this one just chill. I will buy. I go buy. You go forget. You don't go buy again, and you just move on to the next thing. But when you run promos to your list, you are infusing scarcity and urgency to your products marketing. You're telling them that, oh, buy for this particular point of time and get this discount. Like, this is what you can do now. If you are selling a product of 25k, now Easter is coming, or Christmas is coming, or Valentine's Day is coming, what you can do is, you know that if you just reduce the price, if you are selling a product of 25k, you can sell that product for 22,000 naira or 20,000 naira. For that, you can give a discount of 20,000 naira instead of 25,000 naira. Then tell them that, oh, in the next 5 days, this product is going to be selling for 20,000 naira. The people who buy within these 5 days will get this product at the discount of 20,000 naira. You can name your promo end of month promo, Christmas promo, new picking promo. You understand? You can just name your promo that, give them your promo that, and then tell them that, oh, within 5 days, this product is going to be selling at this price. After this 5th day, that's the last day of this promo, the price goes back to the normal price of 25,000 naira. So if you are interested, hit me up and place your order for your products. you will notice that within the first 4 days, many people will not go buy. But on that 5th day, on that 5th day, that's why you see people pay money. Boom, boom, boom. Why? Because they don't want to miss out on that discount. Why wait? Why procrastinate when you can get this product for cheap now? Then instead of you paying later when you know you will need that product. That is the secret behind marketing, and that's what I did within that 1 week. I ran promos every day, back to back. I was hitting them up, reminding them. One day, some people know. First day, some of them will not buy. Second day, some of them will not buy. Third day, some of them will not buy. Fourth day, will not buy. On the 5th day, oh more, check your account balance. They'll start giving you, boom, boom, boom. I've paid. I don't want to miss it. I hope I'm still eligible for that promo. That's what they'll be telling you. And that is how I was able to hit 1 million naira in 1 week. That's how I did it. So you can see that it's something that you can do. Now, I'm creating a course on email marketing. I'll teach you how to actually create funnels, to teach you how to attract qualified leads that are interested in your product and also have the money to buy your product. It will show you how to build your opt-in page. It will show you how to draw your sales page. That email marketing course is going to also show you how to set up your follow-up sequence to follow them up. So that in case they don't buy on the first day of seeing your sales page, they can buy on whenever they have the money, because you are constantly following them up. I'm going to show you how to convert strangers to buyers using the power of email marketing. I'm preparing that course, so I'm sure if you be interested in that course, you can just signify in the comment section, and you can also ask questions. Ask me questions in the comment section. Don't just watch and move. I'm sure that there are questions that you have. Ask questions in the comment section and I'll attend to them. Plus, you give me more ideas on what to add to that course so that you can actually make sales in your business. So, my name is Victor Njimogu, your #1 sales coach. Your #1 sales coach. So, if you're interested, if you have questions to ask, please leave it in the comment section. I don't want to make this video long, so this is a 10-minute video. So once you have your questions, I will attend to you in the comment section. Watch this video again and again and understand it. The people are making money online. Should I just go and implement it and understand it, and I'm sure you make money for yourself too. So I'll see you later on. Thank you.
So guys, I will leave the link to Victor's Facebook group in the comment section below or in the description of this video. Okay, so if you'd like to learn directly from Victor, if you'd like to get his email marketing course, if you'd like to learn proper strategies from Victor directly, free within his group, I will leave the link to his Facebook group in the video description. Go to the video description right now, click on that link, join his group, listen to him, pay attention to him, pay for his course, buy his course. If he tells you to buy a course, buy it, learn from him. These are my friends. These are people who get results doing e-commerce. All of us, we have an amazing results from our e-commerce business. If you listen to what we tell you, you can also get this kind of results. So go to the description of this video right now. You will see the link to Victor's Facebook group. Join his group. You in the comments also, I will pin a comment there where you also see the link to his group. Join his group and learn how to make money for yourself. You may not make 1 million naira, but you make enough money to have a better life. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.